In this guide, I will show you how to change Mint Mobile number. Call Mint Mobile customer support at their toll-free number, 1-800-683-7392. Follow the prompts to speak with a customer service representative. Provide the customer service representative with the necessary information to verify your identity. This may include your account details, PIN, and other personal information. Inform the representative that you would like to change your Mint Mobile phone number. Be prepared to provide a reason for the number change, as well as any preferences you may have for your new number, if applicable. Mint Mobile may offer you a selection of available phone numbers to choose from. Alternatively, you can request a specific area code or prefix for your new number, if desired. Once you've selected a new number, the representative will assist you in updating your account with the new information. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.